Ever wondered if you should use Nutmeg through Chase or go directly to the source? It's a question that gets asked a lot, especially as more people look for convenient ways to invest. On the surface, it might seem like they're the same thing. After all, it's the same investment platform. But when you dig a little deeper, there are some key differences that could impact how you manage your money and even how much you pay in fees. So, let's break it down. When you invest with Nutmeg through the Chase app, you're getting a streamlined experience. You can see your investments right alongside your current account and savings, making it super easy to track everything in one place. You can top up your investment pots directly from your Chase account, which is a big plus for convenience. The entire process, from setting up an account to managing your portfolio, is designed to be seamless within the Chase ecosystem. It's perfect if you're already a Chase customer and you want a simple, no-fuss way to get into investing. On the other hand, going directly to Nutmeg gives you the full, unbundled experience. You'll use the dedicated Nutmeg app, which is a polished and user-friendly platform in its own right. While the core investment options, like the fully managed, fixed allocation, or socially responsible portfolios, are the same, a direct account might offer more access to the latest features and products as they roll out. You're dealing with Nutmeg directly, and all your communications and account management are handled through their channels. So, which is better? It really comes down to what you value most. If convenience and a unified banking experience are your top priorities, then using Nutmeg through Chase is probably the best choice for you. It simplifies your financial life by putting all your money management in a single place. But if you prefer a dedicated investment platform and want to ensure you're getting the full, up-to-the-minute Nutmeg experience, then a direct account is the way to go. Either way, remember that with all investing, your capital is at risk and you may get back less than you invest. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.